this is the first water stream. This is second day of our trek. So we will be seeing the first lake today. Now the altitude is increasing. It was 10,000 feet here. It will be 12,000 feet or something in Nishansar. Some layers we have put because rain is expected throughout the day. Ponchos and all. Same things. Namaste everyone. Today we were supposed to start by 6:30, but due to the rain has started from 4 o'clock onwards. So we got delayed. So all packed up in the ponchos. All of us are looking similar. So this is the steep hike from Nachnai base camp. So the first step itself was very steep for us. Just walk slowly with your group. KGL ट्रैक के लिए आए हैं. इधर तो बारिश ही बारिश चल रही है. पूरे ऊपर से नीचे तक भीग चुके. कीचड़ ही कीचड़ चली है. इंस्टाग्राम रील देख के खुश हो जाते हैं. पता नहीं 7 लेक देखते ही इतना ट्रैक करके आए हैं. इतनी ठंडी है. देखो हाथ भी नरम पड़ रही है. तो बारिश की वेदर फोरकास्ट देख के ही आना. ऐसे ही मत आना. ठीक है. But I'm not that disappointed as well because look at this view. It's so beautiful. मुंह से words भी नहीं निकल रहा. It's cold.
अभी हम पास में पहुंच चुके हैं और बारिश के कारण यहाँ पे काफ़ी स्लिपरी हो चुका है और यहाँ पे जियो नेटवर्क भी आता है. तो काफ़ी लंबी कतार लगी हुई है नीचे कैंप साइड से और पास की ओर निकल रहे हैं सभी.
We might have covered hardly 1 kilometer, but it's raining, it's drizzling over here. I'm literally drenched from top to bottom. That poncho is of no use, but still we are wearing that so that it gives some kind of a protection. Your hands are fully numb. So I don't want to show you some like fancy lake and all those things. I just want to show you the reality. This is how it is. This trek is not that easy if there is a rain. Please take care of yourself and come with a preparedness. I can see a small lake over there, but they say there are so many lakes of this kind. The valley looks very beautiful.
Since we all have come up with a similar colored ponchos or raincoats, so it became mandatory for us to roam with our group. We got to know so many people from our group, which was not happening in the first day, and it was so much fun after these days.
बिल्कुल भी मत करना.
ये कौन सा पास है?
ये आपका निचले पास.
We horses, everybody walks on the same muddy road. It was full of keychad and slippery, so we had to walk very slowly.
We are about to reach the dhaba, and on the valley we can see these beautiful pinkish colorful shades of flower. They are so beautiful, like valley of flowers.
The best part of the second day trek is not only that we could see a lake, we saw chadar, like blanket of flowers, the Himalayan flowers which we saw in Valley of Flowers. So I couldn't stuff that video here, so I have created a separate video for that. You can check out the link from above pop-up.
There is one dhaba here where you can get Maggi and all for 100 to 150 rupees. You can take something from here and start trekking further. Valley is full of so many flowers. Oh my god. Hello. I thought it would be a very difficult trek, same as yesterday. But trust me, the first 2 kilometers were a little bit difficult. But after that, it is a pleasant trek. So we are on a trek. Obviously, you have to enjoy the mountains and trek. And Suryadeva obviously has heard us. There is no rain now. So we can see the beautiful valley with a clear view. Peacefulness. People come here for the peace.
You can spot only 2 people on this valley. One is these sheep and another we, the trekkers. These are the Pashmina sheep. These are the sheep of this valley. They are in hundreds and they are very costly. If you know about the Pashmina shawl that is made from these Pashmina sheep.
Lunch point. So I think it is around 1 o'clock now. Look at the meadows. Seriously, man. They are getting more and more beautiful. That is our lunch point. Wherever you see a lot of people over there. This is steep descent. Like I'm getting pain in my feet. second day of our trek. So the first 2 days, no lake. We started from Sonmark. So 2 days you just have to trek to reach some point, and from the third day onwards we will start seeing the lake. But second day the meadows were really beautiful. The first day was horrible month. Too much of stress on my legs, I can say. So I took a tablet. I got some migraine. Took one tablet from my guide, trek lead, and today I'm feeling better. So it's a descent today mostly. Some ascent was also there where it was raining heavily. So descent looks nicer. Oh my god, look at that waterfall. You can see so many streams on the way. Just get one half a liter or a liter bottle and start filling it. Don't. This is only my backpack. So this is the lunch point. We have put some place to sleep and sit, eat, or if you want, you can just cross this river and have lunch that side of the stream. So the second day lunch is pulao. Having pulao right next to this river. After the lunch point, this is the best part of the trek of the second day. So we have to cross this valley right next to this river. It's such a pleasant moment. This is what I imagined, and this is what it is. But before this, how we came here, that was a big circus though. I'm having such a pleasant time in this Kashmir valley. I don't feel like running. It's like I'll go aram se. We know our campsite is just 1 hour away from this. Due to the weather condition, they made us walk a little fast and start a little early. But now we are under control and Surya Deva is with us. So aram se we are walking in this valley.
The valley side was so peaceful, so beautiful. I literally sat here and meditated for at least half an hour and started staring at these mountains, observing other people going for hours.
This is me sleeping on this green patch of the grass. Hello, finally we reached our base camp. This is our base camp. So I think we reached around 4:30 or something. Today's trek was around 12 to 13 kilometers. It was not that difficult, easy one. And now they are like all the sleeping bags and everything, they are sorting it out.
Our 7 days life was only inside this tent and outside this valley. We sleep on the sleeping bags. There's a separate video for that. Do check that video out.
Lake is just 200 meters from our stay. This is our camp. We're just planning to spend some time over here because tomorrow also we are passing by this route only, but we won't get much time. This is the Nishansar Lake. We are at the first lake of Great Lakes of Kashmir, which is named as Vishansar Lake. In Sanskrit, Vishan is nothing but Vishnu Lord and Sar is nothing but the lakes. These are the great lakes of Himalayas, which Kashmiri Pandits used to come and do puja over here. There was a yatra which they used to come and see all these lakes of the Kashmir. So this is very spiritual lake which is part of the Himalayan mountains, and they say there is a special fish which is called
rainbow trout. Himalayan rainbow trout.
Himalayan rainbow trout, which is found inside this lake. So the water to this lake comes from that small stream. So there is up on top of this, there is a Kishansar lake. So the water comes from that Kishansar lake and fills this beautiful lake. And then we all use this water to our tent sites as well.
Since our camp was right next to this, we spent enough time in staring at this lake. This one lake and then Gangbal Lake. We spent so much of time.
So good morning everyone. We are in between the hilltop. In between this mountain, see? Surrounding. The sun has not yet come. This is the east from where the sun comes. It is third day of our trek. We were supposed to start by 5:30 or something. What's the time now? It's already 6 o'clock. We have packed our luggages for the offloading and the sleeping bags, everything. At breakfast, all ready to leave. Maybe 6:30 around we will be leaving. Because everybody is having breakfast. Such a beautiful view it is. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so beautiful in the morning. Vishansar Lake.
महाराज प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर ओ ब्राह्मण प्रतिपालक छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय जय भवानी जय शिवाजी.
Usually my face is swollen. The morning everybody's face will be like this. This is the Vishansar Lake which we saw yesterday. So today we don't have much time. We will take much picture in Kishansar Lake, which is a little bit above this one.
चलो.
You think those are snow caps? Actually they are not. Because of the sun and the cloud, they look so white. It gives you a sense that they are glaciers. We are at the Kishansar Lake. This lake is named after Lord Krishna. So a little bit ascent is there because of the high altitude trek. This avatar, and one by one I'll start removing them. Everyone, we started our trek at around 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and the sun is very clear this morning. I'm very thankful for the sun today, and we can see a beautiful Kishansar Lake here. So the water from Kishansar Lake flows to the below lake which we saw, right? It's Vishnusar Lake. So this is a little bit far. We cannot go there because of the time constraint. But the color of the lake is a little bit greenish here. Oh my god, there are 3 lakes over here. You see, that is one lake. This is Kishansar Lake. Or that is Vishnusar Lake. भाई बहुत कष्ट है ये असेंड करना. So we are on the way to Gatsar Pass. So this is the point where you can see 3 lakes. This is Kishansar Lake, that is Unknown Lake, and that is Vishnusar Lake.
विजय जी कैसा फील हो रहा है आपको घर से पास करते हुए?
सांस फूल रही है.
अच्छा, ये सब आपको पहले कभी YouTube में दिखा था क्या?
किसी ने नहीं दिखाया था.
तो क्या बोलना चाहोगे आप यूट्यूबर के बारे में?
क्या ही बोलना है, देखो यार ऐसा है, अगर आप कर सकते हो तो कर लो, क्योंकि जिंदगी में ऐसे नज़ारे कभी नहीं मिलेगी.
हाँ, और कुछ मैसेज?
फिट हो तभी कर सकते हो ये सारी चीजें. बट एक अंकल जी है हमारे साथ महाराष्ट्र के, मोटिवेशन है, तो उनको देखते देखते हमारे भी पैर चल रहे हैं थोड़े बहुत. और ये हमारे गाइड है पंकज जी, जो विक्रम बेताल की तरफ पीछे पड़े. चलो 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 करके, जितना सुनना है उतना सुनो, खुद की पेस पे चलो.
By this time, not only with our group, we got comfortable with other groups as well. One Kannadiga group, one Maharashtra group, one Punjabi group. Oh God, so many groups were there.
Everyone, we started around 6:30. It was quite a steep, and we finally reached Gatsar Pass. And you can see a beautiful twin lakes from here. Oh God, it was not that easy.
Once more. Rajkumar ke jai. Once more. Rajkumar ke jai.
Namaste everyone, we are at Gatsar Pass. It's quite a steep, 4,200 meters above the sea level. Weather is so beautiful, you can see 5 lakes from this area. That is Kishansar, next to that is Vishansar. Here 3 unknown lakes, and that side is a Gatsar Lake is there. Thank you.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
अरे यार
वीणा की तहस नहस कर दिया हमने. भोले की फौज करेगी मौज, भोले की फौज करेगी मौज. ठीक है. ओम नमो पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव.
Thank you so much, everyone. These are our guides for the Great Lakes of Kashmir. What a beautiful weather it was, and what a beautiful view it was. I'm so blessed to see all these lakes and these beautiful mountains. This is the reason I like to trek. Like, it's okay if you're tired and all, but the blissful images and the aura of these lakes and these mountains is like mesmerizing. I mean, no money, no energy can buy you this. No money, no luxuries can give you this. Very few horses are there here because of the army camps and all. But if you're tired, there are you can take horses, like if you're highly tired. Otherwise, it's very restricted area. 3,000 they charge from the camp. Garsa Pass. This is me, Vijay, reporting from Garsa Pass. It's very sunny here. Look at the crowd and noise here. I did not like the view from this. I loved the view while we were trekking, and you have to turn back and see. That was the blissful moment. After coming here and trekking, it is okay. But the moment we trek, take a breath, turn back, and it was like amazing moment, I can say. Hi guys, I met some celebrity boy in this KGL trek.
Siddharth Bhatia.
Siddharth Bhatia, who is very famous. I don't know how much truth he is saying. You have to find it out yourself. He is Siddharth Bhatia.
A close up. Beautiful valley and a beautiful boy.
Hey Prabhu.
हे प्रभु आगे से बोलो हे प्रभु
हे जगन्नाथ, हे प्रेमानंदी, ये क्या हो गया? इसमें पानी आ गया, मेरा पैंट भी गीला हो गया। कैसे? पानी से भाई।
Third day was the lengthiest one. I'll show you in episode 3. Stay tuned for that. It is more funny, more exciting, more adventurous.
झूठ बोल रही है गाइस। ये गाय ने क्या कर दिया? ये सब एक्टिंग है, प्लीज ध्यान से।
इसकी आवाज़ आ रही थी वहाँ से यहाँ तक।